So welcome back guys. In this video I will be showing you how you can make your own smart lamp. So let's turn it on. Okay Google, turn on the lamp.
Okay, turning the lamp on.
So let's make it. To make this we needed two plastic glasses and a yellow color 0-watt bulb. I am using this bulb, you can also use any other bulbs. As we are using a bulb, we also required a bulb holder. As I told you before, this is a smart lamp, so I am going to use SON-OFF. This is a normal bulb to smart bulb converter. So to make it, follow the steps now.
You said the same thing I told ya. My eyes are clear, there's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something. I wanna find a new keeper. I like the way it's mysterious. I think I found.
After we cut it, let's join with the plastic glasses. We have to make sure the paper should be at the same line which we marked before. Stick any glue and attach the paper.
It's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something.
After connecting the SON-OFF to the bulb, let's start it. Let's check how it is working. So guys, now you can see that the light is blinking, means it is going to connect with the Wi-Fi. After it stopped blinking, means it is connected to the Wi-Fi. So let's check it, how it is working. Okay Google, turn on the lamp.
जरूर लैंप चालू कर रही हूँ.
So guys, now you can see that this is working with the Google Assistant. Let's turn it off. Okay Google, turn off the lamp.
Okay, turning off the lamp.
So guys, let's install the bulb inside the lamp. The light has to face downside of the lamp. I am going to install downside. To install it, I am going to use cutted back of that plastic glass, and I am going to hold and install it. So guys, now our lamp is ready. Let's turn it on and check how is it. Okay Google, turn on the lamp.
Okay, turning the lamp on.
Let's see how it is looking when other lights are off. So guys, you can see that this is looking amazing. Let me know in the comment section how is it. Make your home look smarter. If you like my videos, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to get notifications.
So guys, hope you all enjoyed this video. It's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching this video, and let's say, okay Google, turn off the lamp.
I wanna find
Got it. Turning off the lamp.
I like the way it's mysterious. I think I found